I'll just show you how to program the Sat Nav from any screen. Just click till you get to the menu on the top, scroll to Navi, click Navi. The bottom here you've got destination. So destination, address entry. You've got here postcode at the bottom, map, country, town, street, number, star. We want postcode, so click back towards you, scroll to postcode, click postcode, and then using the rotary control, we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. Click on PR5 4JS, and then just over to, it's asking me for a number. I don't want to put a number in. You may do, and then
the route is being calculated.
Scroll to start.
Please
click
proceed
start.
to the highlighted route.
That's it. We're on a park at the moment, so as soon as we get on the road, it'll start directing me. That's it.